Picture this, you walk into a coffee shop, scanning the menu for your caffeine fix, and alongside your classic lattes, cappuccinos, there's a golden turmeric latte, a mushroom coffee, or even a big, bright pink beetroot latte. Not so uncommon these days, right? Today we're talking about the rise of handcrafted functional beverages and why they're a must-have on every coffee shop menu. Stick around, this might just inspire your next move. Hey everyone, welcome back to Curated by David, your go-to spot for everything coffee, hospitality, and the little insider tips that make your business stand out. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on one of the fastest growing segments in the beverage world, functional drinks. Trust me, this one's a double shot of inspiration and practicality, whether you're a coffee lover or a cafe owner. Let me take you back to 2018. When I decided to add functional beverages to my coffee shop menu. Honestly, I wasn't sure how it'd go. My regulars love their craft coffee and I thought, will anyone really want a turmeric latte? Spoiler alert, they did, big time. We have a great range of single origin coffees, but we also have wellness drinks too. So for those people who might not drink coffee, you can come in. We have great wellness drinks from Matcha. We have a blue butterfly latte.
I saw something with charcoal.
Activated charcoal, yes.
Okay.
So the activated charcoal latte is really fantastic. It's great if you want to detox. So maybe you've had a big night out in Miami, and exactly. And you need something to kind of detoxify the next day. We can do it with espresso, without, and you can choose your milk. We've got oat milk, macadamia, soy, the whole range. One drink in particular became such a runaway hit, we could barely keep the ingredients stocked. Fast forward to 2025, and functional beverages aren't just a trend anymore, they're a movement. Why? Because they're more than just drinks, they're little wellness rituals. The market for functional beverages is exploding, with estimates hitting over $463 billion by 2033. The functional coffee market is projected to grow at an impressive clip of 6.7% annually. Before we begin, this video is for informational purpose only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any health conditions. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making changes to your diet or your wellness routine. All right, so what exactly are functional beverages? Simply put, they're drinks with purpose. They're loaded with superfoods, adaptogens, vitamins, basically stuff that supports everything from focus to energy to gut health and even stress relief. Imagine your morning coffee not just waking up, but you're also boosting your immunity or helping you manage stress. Sounds like a win-win, right? Some all-stars in the functional beverage lineup include Matcha lattes, which are packed with antioxidants and steady energy boost. Turmeric lattes, which are known for anti-inflammatory properties. Mushroom coffee, featuring adaptogens like lion's mane for focus or reishi for stress relief. Charcoal drinks, a detox go-to for many, and yes, you can still add a shot of espresso because, let's be real, caffeine is non-negotiable. Now, if you're a coffee shop owner wondering, well, why should I bother? Let me break it down. Not everyone drinks coffee. Some people avoid caffeine or just want something new. Functional drinks give you that inclusivity. They boost your profit margins. Ingredients like matcha powder and turmeric are shelf-stable and versatile. They're easy to store and the prep is minimal, making them highly profitable. Stay ahead of the trend. Younger generations, especially millennials and Gen Z, are all about wellness and sustainability. They want drinks that taste great, but also align with their values. And let's be real, the visual appeal of these vibrant drinks is perfect for Instagram. Thinking about adding these to your menu? Here's what worked for me. Start small. Introduce 2 to 3 functional drinks like a matcha latte, turmeric latte, or mushroom coffee. Highlight the benefits. Use simple, clear descriptions. For example, golden turmeric latte, a soothing anti-inflammatory treat. Perfect your recipes. Trust me, people notice quality. For matcha, go ceremonial grade. Whisk it properly and sift the powder to avoid clumps. And don't forget, presentation matters. A little garnish like a sprinkle of cinnamon or a touch of vanilla syrup can elevate the experience. So here's my challenge for you. Whether you're running a coffee shop or just love experimenting at home, give functional beverages a shot. These drinks aren't just trendy, they're transformative, both for your menu and your customers. Drop a comment and let me know, have you tried a functional drink? What's your go-to? Or if you're a cafe owner, what's stopping you from adding these to your lineup? If you're interested in trying out wellness drinks personally or for your business, I've put together something helpful for you. A completely free functional beverage starter kit and recipe book. It's packed with easy to follow recipes for drinks like matcha lattes, golden turmeric milk, mushroom coffee, and plenty more. Whether you're a coffee shop owner looking to upgrade your menu or a wellness enthusiast experimenting at home, this guide will give you the tools to create stunning, delicious beverages. Click the link below to download it. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.